Home Remedies presents. Take celery seeds every day and see what happens to your body. Are you worried about your blood pressure rising? Got gout? Plagued by arthritis? Wondering if a stressful job might give you an ulcer? Celery seed can come to the rescue. Celery seed extract could control your uric acid level and help with gout. I started taking it too. The celery seed extract has really helped heal gout for one of my patients, but to my surprise, her knee pain subsided almost completely. She is 65 years of age and walking several miles a day now. She came to me when an orthopedic surgeon had said that her knee was too far gone for any arthroscopic surgery, just bone on bone, with nothing left to repair. He thought the only resolution was knee replacement. To everyone who have been advised for a knee replacement, I would heartily recommend to try this once. Let's see now what celery can help with. Lowering blood pressure. Celery and celery seeds act as a diuretic, helping to eliminate the excess water and salt that make blood pressure rise. Believe me, this is how many prescription blood pressure medications work. But drugs have side effects also, because they disrupt the balance of sodium and potassium and reduce the flow to the brain. Celery does the job without disturbing the body's natural mineral balance, doesn't reduce blood flow, and doesn't cause any adverse effects. Balancing inflammation to relieve pain. Chronic inflammation is a key component of chronic pain. Anti-inflammatory drugs used to treat arthritis and other pain suppress some of the production of inflammation in a way that leads to side effects and health risks. But instead of blocking the internal processes, celery seed extract restores balance to the body's natural chemicals that influence inflammation. By balancing rather than blocking natural processes, the extract can bring relief without harmful side effects. Easing gout and relieving ulcers. Gout can develop on its own or can be triggered by diuretic drugs that lower blood pressure, because the drugs raise levels of uric acid. When uric acid forms crystals, they cause severe pain, often in the big toe. Lab analysis of celery seed have found that it contains luteolin, a substance that reduces unhealthy levels of uric acid by blocking an enzyme that contributes to its overproduction. Celery is also a remedy for poor digestion. It can help prevent and relieve stomach ulcers. It inhibits bacteria that causes ulcers in the lining of the stomach. Many people has experienced relief from gout by taking celery seed extracts. Dosage. The medicinal qualities of celery are found in the fresh stalks, but are more potent in celery seeds. I recommend eating 4 to 8 stalks of fresh celery daily if possible, and also taking 1 to 2 celery seed extract pills each day. The pills provide a more potent concentration of the gout-fighting medicinal compounds, and their convenience helps you take in a consistent amount. To relieve gout and joint pain, some people may need higher doses such as 500 mg to 1200 mg daily on ongoing basis to prevent gout and arthritis pain to reoccur. Some formulas combine celery seed with tart cherry extract, which also reduces uric acid and helps relieve gout and arthritis pain. You can purchase the whole celery seeds as well, ground them to make a fine powder, and consume half teaspoon of it mixed in milk or water twice every day. You can even use the celery seeds liquid extract. Just add a dropper full of it to 60 ml of water or juice 2 to 4 times daily. So guys, that was all about celery seed extract. I wanted to share this remedy with you since 2 weeks now. Finally, I did it today. I hope it will benefit many of you. No matter how much I talk about the goodness of celery seed extract, it would be less. It is a concentrated form of all the goodness contained in the seeds from the celery plant. Caution: people with active kidney inflammation should not take celery seed. People with low blood pressure should use caution when considering taking celery seed as a supplement. Some people who are allergic to birch pollen may also be allergic to celery seed. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.